Respected Chairperson, sir, my dear friends, I am showing the patient of Mr. R.D. Misra, 57-year male, and it is the event of 2007. My patient was having sudden onset weakness of right half of the body. Patient was denying any complaint of convulsion, chest pain, palpitation. The patient was a recently diagnosed case of diabetes hypertension. He was on anti-diabetic, anti-hypertension treatment. And patient on examination, all the BP, pulse, JBP normal. Patient systemic examination में cardiovascular system, there was a loud S1. There was a faint diastolic murmur in mitral area. And the no carotid bruise was possible. Abdomen normal. Power was 3 by 5 in right sided. The left sided was normal power. There was a cerebellar fine movement and dysfunction. All cranial nerves was intact. So basically, 57-year male in 2007 having known diabetes hypertension, sudden onset right-sided complete hemiplegia, gradually recovered near completely with some fine movement in right hand with mild intentional tumor. At the same time, there was diagnosed diastolic murmur at apex. So clinically, after then, we investigated the patients. Most of the blood reports was normal. ESR was 67, LFT, RFT, all blood was normal. Thyroid lipid profile normal. Then X-ray was showing no cardiomegaly, lung function was normal. CT scan, there was an acute infarction in brain, particularly AICF territories. Right cerebral infarction was noted. So then things ECG normal, 75 minutes, no LV change, sinus rhythm, PR interval normal. The whole thing is when we did the echo in 2007 in February 5th, there was a significant large size atrial mass, left atrial originating myxoma was noticed. It was in 5 into 2.8, protruding in LV, fragile, single, pedunculated. LVID DS normal, valves very mild, grade 1 MR, and no significant pulmonary hypertension. This are then we consult the patient and plan for the go for the angio, cath, and subsequently there was in cath there was contrast negative vagal shadow suggestive of myxoma in lipophase. The whole thing is that it was a diabetes hypertension with atrial myxoma with one episode of embolic. We consult the patient, we treated with our cardiac surgeon, consulted surgeons, and finally, urgent resections was planned, done in 2000. Patient improved very well, and up to 2009, every 6 monthly, we did the follow-up. It was no residual trauma. But what happened surprisingly in 2009, when again during follow-up, there was a 4.5 around one large mass again reappears at the same site of the recurrence of this. And it was a 4.2. Again, it was a very frightening per patient, but it was surprising for me. And finally, we see that we consult the patient, and anyhow, patient agreed for go for the surgeon. I consulted the cardiac surgeon. Sir said, okay, this time we'll do more deep resection and more we will send the patient, we'll do it. Whole things was done very well, everything gone well. In 2009, second time, deep resection was done. It was a purely benign in nature. And finally, 10, 11, 12, 13, every 6 monthly, we did the follow-up and no recurrence of myxoma. But the story started again in the 2014, that again the regrowth of myxoma was seen in 2014 to 4.2 into 2, and the patient was having no other features. But this time when the surgical option, absolutely two-time sternotomy and deep bypass through, he underwent for that, he refused to go for the further surgery. Then the patient's treatment plan may further redo cardiac surgery absolutely was not agree. So what we are then have discussed with the patients and our surgeon, finally we have put on antihypertensive and warfarin, metformin, ecosprin. And last 7 years, continuously 6 monthly, we are following. By luckily, no any embolic episode was seen. And finally, this. This is the recent video we are sharing here. That there is a growth. It was initially 3.5, 4.5, up to 4.5 and near 5 centimeter. Now it is the same things, and patients absolutely now on the medical. The surgical option is absolutely denying about this. So regrowth of the recurrence of the myxoma. It is the one of the 2 times after surgery and same type of growth, same place, and seeing the very frightening for the patient here. And finally, after this, why patients absolutely doing the INR PT and warfarin completely according to maintaining that data and doing well since 7-8 years, and last 14 years it has helped. So what by this case, what the best case I have kept, that surgical option with cardiac myxoma is the most common primary tumor we all are seeing. 75% in LA, 20% in RA. 90% are solitary in nature, pedunculated, gelatinous. 35% are having the embolic episode, and all the emboli valvular tried, but the recurrence rate is only 2 to 3%. So it is one of the rare case of 2 to 3%. Recurrent usually appear first 4 years. The first time in my case in 2 years, next time after 4 years. And primary myxoma is more common in women. Here it is a men, but tumor recurrence more common in the men. So here this man, RD Misra, is having this problem. On all four mechanisms explaining, like inadequate resection. Secondary, we did the complete curettage with the consultancy with the surgeon. And then also it was the what is the theory? There are four theory. One, adequate in resection, totipotent multicity, metastasis, or familial. We did the screening of all the familial members. Everything was normal. And the one member is the Carney complex like picture, very rarely seen. Here it was not present, no other tumors of the various things. And the first case of this myxoma was reported by Jarwood in 1967. So, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Chairman, sir, this patient was having a recurrent myxoma of the 3 to particularly 2 times, and third time also there is a presence of this. We have no option, but this is a very rarely seen, very vigilant, and by the counseling of that, all surgical options we have opted, and only medical follow-up we are doing. It is rarest among rare patients, and particularly this type of case surprises us. That's why we have kept as a best case of our follow-up in Ecolab. With these few words, I wish all my audience, all my thing, have a very corona free of this world. Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you, sir.